Hello friends, this presentation is made to understand how contouring can be done under land surveying techniques by making use of plane tabling. This presentation will cover some background of contouring as well as construction features of the plane table, certain accessories which will be useful for contouring, how the plane table is to be used after carrying out temporary adjustments. The learning objectives that are defined are: learner will be able to explain construction features as well as temporary adjustments of the plane table. The cognitive level expected is understand. The second objective defined is learner will be able to explain use of plane table for contouring, and here the cognitive level is applied. Just to have the brief review of contouring. Contouring is basic technique to understand the nature of the ground surface, and the contour is a line joining points of equal elevations. This background should have been covered under the various classes related with the leveling as well as this contouring technique. The methods for contouring can be categorized under two classes. First one is indirect, second one is direct. Just to have again small recap, indirect techniques are those which are collecting the data on site and is processed in the office in order to prepare the contour plan. Whereas in direct contouring, the drawing work as well as field work is done on site itself. Plane table is an equipment which will be helping us to have both the field work as well as office work done on site itself. Hence, this plane table setup is useful for direct contouring. Let's have certain constructional aspects covered. This total setup is of plane table. To start from bottom, here this is timber tripod which is provided with a metal shoes. This assembly is of leveling head. This particular part helps us to attach certain plumb bob. This particular surface is helping us to mount the white paper to prepare the drawing on site itself. So here these three things are essential: tripod, leveling head, and certain tabletop. Certain accessories are essential for the due usage of the plane table. On the table, we have to mount this particular plane elided in order to have certain objects sighted and the lines drawn by making use of this particular graduated edge, which is called as fiducial edge. Certain thing can be accommodated with this particular plane elided in order to have that converted into telescopic elided. Here, as you see, this particular lower portion is very similar to this particular platform, which is base providing certain parallel ruling fiducial edge, whereas upper part is provided with telescope assembly. In turn, it has got eyepiece, object glass, as well as even certain level tube in order to facilitate and to bring the axis relationship into existence. So the ready-made version for us is, say, clearly shown in this particular picture. In addition, certain accessories are essential. This one is Trupp compass. As you see, it is providing certain magnetic needle covered with this particular glass cover, and whole assembly is used in order to plot the north as well as this to facilitate certain orientation of the plane table. This assembly is telling us how U-fork can be used in order to transfer a point from the surface of the paper on the ground or otherwise to have the point transferred from the surface, from the ground surface or the paper as such. So here this particular say U fork helps us for centering as well as to transfer the point from ground to paper and vice versa. Before using the plane table for any purpose, we have to carry out certain temporary adjustments. First one is setting up. Let's presume this is certain station on which we wish to mount the plane table. So we will see that the vertical axis of the equipment will be roughly passing through this particular station line, and this particular surface of the plane table will be roughly horizontal. Second adjustment will be going for is nothing but leveling, in which we'll see that the plane table which is set up in this step 1 will be having and providing the surface horizontal. The third thing we wish to have is nothing but centering. So this is the third step, in which here we'll see that the set plane table surface will be exactly above the station under consideration. Here the vertical axis defined by the plumb bob will be passing through the station under consideration. So after doing this particular process, we'll be going for contouring by the developed step. Just one step we have to think about for this particular leveling and centering, that as we level the setup, centering will be disturbed. As we center the setup, leveling will be disturbed. So we have to see that both the things will be done hand in hand. So we'll proceed with this particular contouring technique by using this particular plane table. Let's presume that this is the position where we have set our plane table and we wish to have contour developed having reduced level 100 meters. Let's presume that line of sight of the telescopic LED which is mounted on the plane table has got height of instrument or HI as 101.5. To have certain point defined as A, which is having reduced level of 100 meters, we have to have staff reading of 1.5 meter. So here we'll be instructing certain staff man to stand about some region of that A, and we'll be instructing him to move in such a manner that the staff reading achieved will be exactly 1.5 meter. As we have such point A defined, the point A has to have reduced level of 100 meters. Let's make use of the stadia intervals which are provided for the telescope of that telescopic LED. So accordingly we'll be able to have distance OA converted by making use of stadia principles, and hence this capital A will be plotted as small a on the paper. Same process will be carrying out at B. Just to have small recap, staffman will be instructed to move near about B so as to have staff reading exactly 1.5 meter. With respect to predefined HI of 101.5, the point B when gives 1.5 meter staff reading will be having reduced level of 100 meters, and hence again OB can be measured stadia by making use of stadia method, and hence this small b will be giving exact location of this B. Same process can be done with C, D, E as well as F. Now here we have to plot all these particular points A, B, C through all these to reach A by certain smooth line as shown in red in color here. This will be giving contour of 100 meters. Similar process can be done in order to have the contours which are having certain different values. I hope the information will be useful to you. Thank you.